Hello, namaste, welcome to Green Tarot. So how are you? I hope you're doing good. I hope you're having an amazing day today. So if you're new here, if you like my content, please support my channel, or if you have already supported me, thank you so very much. So in the description box, I have my Instagram page link if you want to follow me there. Go ahead and give it a follow, and the decks that I'll be using in this reading will also be listed in the description box. So today's pick card reading is going to be the next 7 to 10 day prediction reading. Okay, so remember, these are general readings, so take what resonates and leave the rest behind, guys. And these are timeless readings also, so whenever you watch this reading might have a message for you. So I'll just show you the piles. Okay, so for group number 1 we have this amethyst crystal. For group number 2 we have this aventurine, and for group number 3 we have sodalite. So close your eyes, relax, connect with your intuition, and choose a group that calls to you intuitively. Amethyst, aventurine, sodalite. Okay, so take your time, guys, and pause the video if you need to pause, and then watch your video. Okay, the timestamps will be in the description box. I'm going to start with group number 1. Hello group number 1, if you have chosen this amethyst crystal, let's see what is your next 7 to 10 day prediction. So let's start with the Light Seers Tarot. So let's see what is the message for you guys, what you need to know for the next 7 to 10 days. What is your protection? So let's see what will be the overall energy for next 7 to 10 days. Next 7 to 10 days, the overall energy. Oh, we have Ace of Swords. Wow. Or maybe for some of you, you're learning something new, or maybe you will be doing your max problems next 7 to 10 days. If you are, if you're students, maybe, or you are working on your studies, you will be learning a lot. That's something I'm getting very clear. Okay, if there is a subject that is very hard for you guys, maybe you will be learning it, and you will be letting go of all the confusion. Maybe someone will help you, or maybe you will watch YouTube videos, and all your problems, like if you will get the solutions for your max problems. I'm getting like max problems, or maybe if you're studying something, if you're I'm getting like studies for some of you. So maybe you will be studying, if you're writing an exam, or if you're giving an exam, you will be concentrating on your studies, or maybe you have exams next 7 to 10 days, so you'll be studying, and all your confusions will go, and you will be able to give good I feel like you will be able to give exams like you will be very clear headed while you're giving your exams. So something about exams I'm getting here for some of you. And with this Ace of Swords, clarity is coming for next 7 to 10 days. So if you have been going through a problem, if you're feeling very cloudy, like if you don't know where to go next, what to do next, if you're very confused right now, this is a message that there is going to be a lot of clarity coming your way. Okay, and I'm just very attracted to this piercing, nose piercing. So maybe for some of you, you are very like thinking whether should I get this new nose piercing or not, or maybe you will be very clear and you will know that yeah, I need to do this. And maybe for some of you will be doing, and for some of you will be like, no, I don't want this, and you will not be doing. So maybe for some of you it's about piercing, or maybe some body changes you want to make. Or yeah, I'm getting like you're thinking about something, like for some of you it's like you want to change your style, you're thinking right now, and then next 7 to 10 days you will be thinking, and then you will be making a decision. You will be very clear about it. Okay, it can be nose piercing, or maybe getting some work done on your face, or whatever it is, like, so you're going to be very clear. For some of you it's exam, like very clear. You will be very clear on what you want to do next 7 to 10 days. Like you will be, you know what you want, where you want to go, what you need to do, what you need to learn, like organization I'm getting for some of you. So like, and I feel like for some of you, because of your intelligence, you will be able to resolve a lot of problems. If there is a scenario where there has been like some problems arise, and you will be like for example, if you have two friends are fighting, and because of you they will stop fighting, like you will have something to say, like you will be saying something very intelligently, and they will stop fighting because they will know what they are doing is not correct, or something like that. Like your intelligence will save something. I don't know, but that's something I'm getting here. Okay, so let's see how your career will be next 7 to 10 days. Oh, we have 3 of Wands. Patience is needed, I'm getting for some of you. Okay, if you have, I feel like for some of you, you have recently gotten, you have recently done some work, but you want to you want to establish something, I'm getting here. So it's like you want to do more things, you're planning a lot. So this is the time for planning. For next 7 to 10 days is the time to plan. It's time to organize things, what you want from your life. For studying also, if you're studying, just prepare your schedule, what you need to learn, how you need to learn, if you want someone's help or not. Just organize things. But definitely there is good things I feel for you guys in your career. There is you will be feeling good about it. If there is a project that you are waiting to get into it, you will be getting it into it. Okay, be patient with it. Okay, maybe you want something, like for your career you want something to happen, and this is like next 7 to 10 days. Be patient with yourself and plan. Okay, plan and organize. Don't get impatient. That's something I'm getting. And for some of you there might be travel also for some of you. Okay, so you might travel for work. That is also I'm getting here. But work related, it's like be patient with yourself, go slow. You're going to be very clear, with this 3 of Wands and Ace of Swords. You're very clear, very clear about your plans, what you need to do. So be patient. When the correct time comes, you will know, and you will take action. So don't take action because of your impatience. Don't take action. Take action at the correct time. Okay, that's something I'm getting for you guys. So if you want to improve your finances, or if you want to make a financial investment or something like that, so right now step back, look what is happening, and then at the correct time make that investment, and you are going to get clarity about it. So be patient. Okay, be patient. That's what I'm getting here. Okay, so let's see what is your love life going to be for next 7 to 10 days. Oh, we have confusion here. 2 of arrows. Right now I feel like with this 2 of arrows, you're very confused about your love life. Your logical mind says something, your intuitive mind says something. Like it's a fight between your heart and mind, and so it also comes to your overall energy with this Ace of Swords. You will be very clear. Right now you're not clear. Next 7 to 10 days, wait, be patient. It's all career, love, everything is like coming together here for you guys. The message is like step back, let go of your sometimes we have a limited perception. We don't know full picture. We don't know the full picture. Right now you have only a half view, right? You're not seeing the full picture. So take a step back, be patient. You will be very clear about it, and then take action. In your love life also, don't do or don't say anything that will hurt someone. Okay, that's something I'm getting for next 7 to 10 days. Maybe in your love life also, someone will say something, or you will overthink about something, and you might confront that person, and it will not be good for you guys. Okay, so be patient with your friendship or with your love relationship also. Okay, or with your family also. I'm getting that. Okay, so that's I'm strongly feeling for you guys. And what are the blessings for this week? Let's see, for next 7 to 10 days, what is the blessing? Oh wow, house. Okay, so with this house, the blessing I'm getting, like you will be very feeling, you will be, maybe for some of you will be spending that quality time in your house next 7 to 10 days, like feeling very secure in your home, like having the time to think clearly. I'm getting, like without any noise, you will be able to think clearly without any, like sometimes our thinking, because of other people, our thinking get influenced by social media, by sometimes things we think because of other people, like what they are thinking, we think that, right? So what I feel like your blessing is, you will be very clear. You will be making decision by yourself, not because someone influenced you in some way. It will be your decision about something. Like it's spirit is like giving you messages. You're connecting with spirit on a deeper level. Next 7 to 10 days, you're like receiving information, and you will know, yes, this is what I need to do, and you will be taking action. So there is no, like, I feel like you will be very stable. You will be spending some quality time in your home. You will be feeling very relaxed. You will be in this solitude energy. For some of you, you will be taking some time off and spending some time with yourself, and you will be feeling very good. You will be feeling very secure in yourself, like your home. You will be taking care. Our house, like our houses, we clean our house. Like that is that only. Our body is also our home, right? We need to take care of our body. We need to clean our body. We need to eat healthy to maintain that, right? So the thoughts that are not good, we are letting go of. So I'm feeling like this is your blessing. You're feeling good. good in yourself, you're balancing yourself, and you're making a connection with spirit, and no one will influence you for next 7 to 10 days. You are making the decision by yourself, like divine is giving you that decision. That is so yeah, be patient with yourself. At the correct time you will receive the message and then take action. In love life, in career, everything, you need to have a little bit patience. So there is like little bit heart and mind struggle here, but relax, take a step back, connect with yourself, and you will get your answer. That's something I'm getting. Okay, so let's see what else. This is the final message. Oh, courage, young heart. Okay, stand tall, don't let the love decrease. You are a warrior of peace. Yes, like I feel like a lot of peace is coming your way right now. I feel like there is a little bit of like heart and mind problem here. What you don't, you know, your mind is saying something, your heart is saying something, and you don't know. So a little bit of cloudy, like foggy energy I'm getting, and it is going to go away. So be courageous, believe in yourself right now, take your time out. Everything will be okay. And yeah, you're on the right path. Wow, you're going good, guys. So in your career also you're going good. Okay, you're going good. On your studies also you're going good. So right now it's just a little bit of confusion that you're going good. Okay, so just be patient right now for the next 7 to 10 days. Be patient, and what is, I feel like spirit will give you the answer, and then you will know, yes, I want to take this, I want to go for it, and then at that time you will make that step. Okay, so that's it for group number 1. Bye bye, take care. Group number 2, if you have chosen this green aventurine, let's see what is your message for the next 7 to 10 days. What do you need to know? Okay, so with this next 7 to 10 days, what I feel like you will be healing. Maybe you have recently gone through some issues, some problems. You're healing that. You're feeling good. Maybe your health is also healing, or maybe you were stressing a lot for the past few days. You're healing that. You're coming back together. Like your mind body is like coming back together. Maybe there was some sort of stress. You were I'm getting disharmony happened. Some sort of you were not feeling harmonious. Now you will be feeling harmonious. You're coming back slowly. You're coming back together. Okay, or maybe health wise also there was some issues. Now finally you're coming back together. Or stress, you're like coming back together. I'm getting here. So let's see what is the overall energy for next 7 to 10 days. What is the overall energy for next 7 to 10 days? Okay, I'll just shuffle once more and then let's start. What's the overall energy for group number 2 for next 7 to 10 days? Okay, 5 of Pentacles in reverse, and it's good because it came in reverse, and I feel like taking it in reverse. I don't usually do reversals, but with this 5 of Pentacles, and I told you healing energy, so yeah, that's what I'm getting. You're getting out of this stressful energy. You're feeling like, you know, the past few weeks, or maybe right now also, you're feeling a little bit alone, a little bit lonely. You don't know where to go, why this happened, or maybe something happened. I feel like something happened and you felt very lonely. Look, she's like very scared. She is feeling fearful. She is feeling lonely, even though there is the key. She is not taking the key. She is not opening the door. She is not getting out. Like there is help, but she is not seeing that. Right now she's not seeing that. So you are also, maybe for health also, you were like not seeing. You're like, why my health is like this, why I'm like so stressed. I'm getting this mentally. You were feeling very stressed, feeling very lonely, or maybe something, you know, you were disappointed in something, or someone. So maybe for some of you it can be also that you were disappointed in something or someone, and you're feeling lonely, or maybe they did something, and so you're feeling lonely. So this was the energy. I feel like you're getting out of this energy for the next 7 to 10 days, because this came in reverse, and I'm getting that energy. You're getting out of this energy. You're finally seeing the key, and you're opening the door, and you're getting out. So this energy is healing. That's what I'm getting. You'll be healing this energy for next 7 to 10 days. You'll not be feeling like this right now. So if you're feeling very stressed right now, if you're feeling, oh my god, why things are not going the way it should be, or maybe for some of you have financial fears about something, or maybe your finances are not so looking good, so you're stressing about it. So this you're like I told you, disharmony. You're feeling very disharmonious. Finally harmony is like you're getting back together. You know, sometimes it's not even the outer is problem. Sometimes our inner is problem, right? We are overthinking about certain things, and I feel for you guys, your inner was problem. You were even though sometimes even though scenarios are bad, we make it worse, right, by our overthinking. So I feel like you're getting out of the situation for next 7 to 10 days, slowly but surely. Okay, you're getting out. So let's see what your career is about. What is your energy for your career next 7 to 10 days? Oh wow, 8 of Wands energy. So yes, I'm getting like with this 5 of Pentacles also in the back of the deck we have Ace of Wands. So maybe for some of you in your career also you were disappointed, or maybe in your finances you were disappointed, something you hoped for didn't happen, and so you are like very stressed about it and you're feeling very disharmonious. And in your career now, what I see with this 8 of Wands, like things are going to move faster. So if you were feeling stuck in your career, or if you're feeling like you're not or maybe for some of you applied for a job, you're not getting maybe you're not getting information about it, or you're not no one is calling you or for appointment, for interview or something. Maybe you will receive a message for interview or something like that, or maybe you will have to travel to a different place for interview. That is also I'm getting. So there is one advice for you guys to change this energy. Sometimes when we feel like this, when we feel hurt, when we feel like, oh my god, nothing is going to work, that time that manifests and it might take longer. So it's important for you to get it back together. Like some days will be like this, some days we will have these negative thoughts, it's okay. But when we realize that we are thinking negatively, we can change it to a positive thought, right? We can start slow. So like take a book and write your negative thoughts and let that go, and then use some positive affirmations. Like I feel like the most beneficial thing for you to do is to, when you wake up, see the things that you already have manifested into your life, right? The things that you already have. Sometimes it's so easy to see the things we don't have, but it's so hard to see the things we have already manifested. It's so hard sometimes. Like there is a quote, right? When the eyes goes, that is when we know the value of the eyes, right? So it's like that. You're not seeing the things you have already manifested into your life, the happiness that you had. You have made so much things. So sometimes if a problem comes, we stress a lot. So maybe this is the time to give gratitude to the divine for all the things you have received in your life, for all the things that you wished. Maybe past 1 year you had a lot of things in your wish list. Look how many wishes have come true. Like maybe there will be wishes that have come true, right? So be appreciate that, be grateful for that small victories, right? So that's something I'm getting here. That's advice for you guys. And with this 8 of Wands, things are going to move speedily for you guys. There is travel related, work related travel might happen suddenly. That's something I'm feeling. So yeah, with this 5, I'm even getting with this 5, you will be out of this 5 of Pentacles energy. You will not be stressing about things. There is movement, there is progression that is happening for you guys, okay? In your career, that is progress. Yeah, progress, movement, moving forward. So maybe for some of you, you were not able to give your 100% because of your health. You were not feeling so well because of your stress. When we are stressed, we are not able to give our 100%. So I feel like you're coming out of that and you will be able to give your 100% to your work, your career. So things looks good. You will be in full energy. I feel like there is a burst of energy also with this person is like depleted. They don't have energy. Finally, you're gaining your energy. Finally, you have the energy to move forward. Like finally, you're going to work. Like for some of you, that's the thing. You're full of energy, right? Yeah, that's what I'm getting here. And let's see what is your love life for next 7 to 10 days. Group number 2. King of Coins. Okay. Okay, for some of you, I feel like this love life, I feel like maybe for some of you, you will, maybe a parent figure of your, or maybe an older person might help you financially, or maybe they will give you good financial advice. That is I'm getting, because love life is not only about lovers and all. It's like about our family, it's about our friends, right? So with this King of Coins, that is the thing. Like 5 of Pentacles, you're worried about your finances. You don't know what to do with your finances. Maybe for some of you, that's the thing. You're very worried about your career. You're very worried about your finances. So maybe there will be someone who is an earth sign, may help. Maybe your father, maybe your spouse, maybe your a friend, maybe a mentor, maybe your boss might help you with some advice or with some finances. I'm getting with some money. Maybe you will receive some money that will help you. Okay, that's something I'm getting here. For some of you, I'm getting like with this 8 of Wands also, if you're already in a work yeah, if you have a work, I feel like there is some sort of raise, you know, your money is going to raise with this king of coins also. And if you are in a relationship, I feel like if you had, you know, if you're feeling like in a relationship, if you're feeling like stressed about something, things are going to get balanced, because king of coins is someone who is very balanced. His finances are balanced, his business is balanced, so he is very balanced person. So I feel like in your love relationship also there is balance coming. And if you're single, you may meet someone, like you will be talking to someone, and that is also I'm getting here. Maybe there is a king of coins, like a earth sign coming your way. So maybe you are I feel like for some of you, if you were staying at home, you were not meeting new people. I feel like in the coming next 7 to 10 days you might meet new people, right? You might go out, like that is also I'm getting, meeting new people. I'm just going to clarify king of coins. Let's see, I'm just curious. Okay, we have two of arrows, you know. Interestingly, we got this like card for group number 1 also. But with this king of coins, yeah, you will be like, whether should I go out with this person? Like for some of you, if you're single, you will be like doubting whether should I go, should I not go. Like you know, if you're at home, just go out. Maybe it's your friend who is calling you for a date or something like that, you know, your friend, and you're like, whether should I go out or not. Go out, have fun, right? You need to get out of this energy. So if someone is calling you for some event, or for just a meetup, or just to go to a restaurant or anything, just go out, because I feel like you're in this disappointed energy, and that's what is going away. This disappointment is going away. Okay, so let's see what is your blessing. Wow, look at it, money. Yeah, I told you, king of coins. Maybe for some of you, you might receive money from this person. Your boss might give you some money, or you might like for some of you, you might receive a gift as a money. So there is like, this is blessing, right? So with this sudden wealth, so yes, some money is coming your way. In your career also, you will see some progression. Money, financially, there is going to be a progression. And we have court house. So maybe for some of you that your money was stuck, that is, you're receiving that money. So maybe your money was, yeah, for your career also, someone took money from you, they didn't give you back, maybe you will receive it back. So there, yeah, your money is flowing this week. Next 7 to 10 days, expect money flow. Okay, so yeah, you're definitely going to get out of the situation. Wow, that was a confirmation there. So let's see what else. And with the 77 number is a very lucky number, right? So yeah, there is luck coming your way. Finally, after you, maybe for some of you are thinking, where is my luck? Why I'm so out of luck? Finally, things are coming together. And I feel like, you know, you have been very affected by this Mercury retrograde. In the past week, I feel like you're learning a lot of lessons. You're in your family, in your relationship, in your career also, you're learning a lot of lessons. So I feel like Mercury retrograde is almost going to finish, so it is not going to affect you anymore. But you know, it might have hurt you a little, but it is not going to take you, you know, you're not going to go off track, right? So that's what I'm feeling like. You're learning the lessons, and it's just for your growth. Okay, yeah, sometimes our growth is difficult. It's just for growth. That's what I'm getting for you guys. Spirit is saying it's just for your growth. Don't worry, everything is all right. All is well for you guys. Okay, things will be grateful for Spirit. Okay, so you know, as I told you, be grateful for all the things you have already manifested into your life. So let's see what the final message is for you guys for the next 7 to 10 days. Look, support. Yes, divine is with you, and I feel like there is a person who is supporting you with this king of coins. Maybe your spouse. You're feeling low in your career, maybe your spouse will help, or maybe you have some problem with your spouse. Finally, you're talking to your spouse, you're having heart-to-heart conversation, they are understanding you, you're understanding them. So, or maybe for some of your friends are supporting you, like there is support. Maybe your boss is supporting you financially, so definitely there is support. And of course, if you feel like no one is there to support you, there is divine to support you. Divine will support you. You're getting out of this 5 of Pentacles. For some of you, this can be mental health also. You're not feeling mentally very balanced, but I feel like slowly but surely you're getting out of that energy. Okay, so there is healing happening. There is always help around. When you ask, it can be found. So if you feel like no one is going to support me, no one is going to help me, ask support from your angels, your spirit guides. They are around you, they are taking care of you. Don't worry. Okay, Oh, animal healing. So maybe for if you have a cat or if you have a dog, spend some quality time with them. It will relax you. It will be so healing for you guys. Or maybe go out in nature. Look at the bird. Look at the insect. Why I can't say that? Insects. Okay. Oh my god. So yeah, look at out, look at the sky, look at the birds, enjoy that view. Look at the butterflies, and if you have a dog or cat, spend quality time with them. It will be very healing for you guys. Okay, so that's it for group number 2. Bye bye, take care. Number 3, if you have chosen the sodalite crystal, let's see what is your message for next 7 to 10 days. With this message, I'm getting like for some of you, your psychic insight is going to be very strong for next 7 to 10 days. So trust your psychic insights, trust your visions. And for others, maybe you want to do some checkup related to your eyes. If you have that appointment, go for it. Consult the doctor. If you have some eye issues, consult the doctor. Okay, so that's something. Maybe there will be some eye issues for some of you, just a specific some of you, so just do that. Okay, don't sometimes you feel like, oh, nothing to worry, I will do it later. Maybe if you are like for some of you, I feel like you're skipping that appointment, you're not going, so maybe it's time to go see the doctor. Okay, just do an eye checkup. It's okay, right? Maybe some of you need to do it. So let's see what is for next 7 to 10 days. For some of you, I feel like you're working on your clairvoyant abilities or something like that. Keep on working. You will see the results. Okay, your abilities are going to expand. So if you're working on your clairvoyant abilities, that is also a very specific message. So let's see what is your. I'm getting a lot of spiritual progress for you guys for next 7 to 10 days. You will be feeling very connected to the divine. For many of you, I feel like that. Your intuition is very strong for the next 7 to 10 days. Let's see. Group number 3. Next 7 to 10 days, overall energy for group number 3. What is the overall energy? Okay. 8 of Pentacles. Wow, work, studies. Okay. For some of you might be doing certain rituals, or you're planning to do certain rituals for your finances, like lighting green candle or something like that, or maybe manifestation, scripting, or maybe working with moon phases. If you're doing that, keep on working. I feel like that will be very helpful. And we have a full moon coming up also, so yeah, I'm getting like you will be doing some rituals on full moon, so do that. And I feel like with this moon phases, we have this moon phases, and I'm getting this pentacle sign also, like you're connected. Maybe you're doing some ritual related to the 4 elements, so do that. It will be very beneficial for you guys. And we have feathers. I'm getting like books, learning, lot of working on your skill, developing your skill. So yeah, 8 of Pentacles. So this week, next 7 to 10 days, you will be learning a lot of things, maybe researching a lot of things. You will be if you have a hobby, you will be trying to improve it, maybe taking some online course, or maybe you're planning to do it, or maybe you're reading a book about moon phases, how moon phases affect our energy. So maybe you're learning about rituals. So yes, that is something I feel like. So maybe for some of you will be learning about that, how to do a ritual, how to do herbs or something like that. Maybe for some of you, if you're students, you will be learning a lot, you'll be researching a lot, you will be doing your assignments, you will be doing your projects. So 8 of Pentacles energy is like a hard-working energy I'm getting. So you will be working a lot, or if your career also, if you have in your career also, you'll be working a lot, you will be giving your 100%. So just don't try to be a perfectionist. That's something, because when you will become a perfectionist, there is a chance that you might overwork. There might be days when you will not be you'll forget to eat also. So just eat in time, take care of your body. But definitely there is a lot of learning happening here. Learning, studies, this week, 7 to 10 days. Career also, you will be focusing on your career, you will be focusing on your work, you'll be doing rituals. So yeah, that's something I'm getting for you guys. And I feel like your hard work will definitely pay off. So keep on working. Okay, your perseverance, I feel like you're going to be you'll be like, yes, I'm going to do this, I'm going to work hard. And yes, you'll work hard, you will see the results later. Okay, so keep on working. So let's see what your career. I feel like you're very focused on your career, on your spiritual Maybe for some of you, working on your spiritual gifts also, as I told you, rituals, working with moon phases, learning about manifestation, learning about law of attraction, like doing it. Sometimes we just read books, we don't apply in our life. I feel like you're going to apply it in your life also. So let's see the career for you guys for next 7 to 10 days for group number 3. Or maybe for some of you, you will be working a lot, that's why your eyes will feel very tired, so maybe you need to take breaks. That's something I was like catching up on, I was like feeling that eyes, when we don't sleep well, our eyes get very tired, so maybe you will have problems sleeping because you will be so focused on your work, like you will be getting up early in the morning and doing your work, maybe sleeping very late at night, you will be studying, so maybe your eyes will get very tired, so maybe you need to relax. Okay, that's something I'm getting for some of you. So let's see your career, group number 3, your career. Wow, look, we have Empress. So your hard work is definitely going to pay off in your career. You will be getting a lot of creative ideas that you will be working on. So maybe it's a project that might start, and yes, this project will take your time a lot. You will be working on this project. You will be like, wow, I want to do this. So there's a lot of work. There's a lot to do. So yeah, that's why I feel like this is a week of creation for you guys. You will be creating. You will be loving every part of this project, but when we love something, I feel like you're going to do something that you love a lot to do. So and because of it, you will skip your sleep, or you will not take care of your body. So maybe this is a message to take care of your body, because things will go for you guys as planned. Be patient, and I feel like you're creating something, you're nurturing something, you're doing your work, you're giving your 100%, right? And it's going to grow, and you will get the best result. As let's see, this Empress, she is a Mother Earth. Mother Earth gives without expectations, right? So I feel like you're going to be very blessed. Career looks very good for you guys, because your hard work, your perseverance is seen by the angels, by divine, and you will reap the rewards. So it's like, maybe for some of you working on your body, it can also be thing like you work on your like, I'm just getting this like idea, you get like working on your body, and yes, you will receive that thing, the thing you're working on, it will be good, don't worry. So don't over stress, don't overthink about this thing, and just sleep properly, eat healthy. Okay, there is a chance that you might not have like you will be craving for more junk food, so don't do that also, because you will be so focused on your work, so you will be just buying from outside, and you'll be eating a lot of noodles or something for the next 7 to 10 days, because this project is like, you're so invested in this project of yours. This is an idea that you need to work, or you're growing on, you're very happy to do the work, but at the same time you might not take care of your health. So take care of your health. Okay, so let's see for your love life. For some of you, I even feel like that if you have kids, you will not be paying attention to them that much, because you will be so focused on your work. So maybe just spend some time with them. Yeah, work is important. Definitely, you are very invested in this thing. You're learning about things. You're so invested in this project. But sometimes we need to nurture ourselves. We need to take care of our kids, some time with our family also. So just do that also, a little bit time. Okay. Yeah, your love life. I feel like you're not so focused on your love life. You're very focused on your career next 7 to 10 days. Oh, we have like 3 of arrows for your love life. Why 3 of arrows for love life? So there is some sort of heartbreak. Okay, we have 2 of arrows. I'm just going to clarify that also. Okay. For some of you, this is a very specific message. Yeah, someone has gone through a breakup. So right now you're just focusing on yourself, your work. You're taking care of yourself. Like you're just focusing on your work. That's something I'm getting because of this 3 of arrows here. And I feel like for many of you, if you have a major disappointment, if you're single, you're letting go of it, you're getting clarity why this happened. You're understanding that some relationship works, some doesn't work, and it's okay, it's not your problem. And you are you're getting very clear with this Ace of Arrows. You're like getting over this thing. I feel like that next 7 to 10 days, if you're going through a major breakup, you're over this thing, you're going in a new direction. Like, even the new direction is challenging, you're going to move away from these thinking, like this heartbreak, you're moving away from it. I'm getting that thing for some of you. or maybe you have gone through a little bit of sometimes this three of arrows can be a little bit of heart pain, like someone said something, so we are very hurt, so maybe you will be resolving it. Maybe your parents said something, you're feeling hurt, and finally they will understand you and you will understand them and things will be resolved. That's something I'm getting here. For others, if you have gone through a breakup, I feel like you're moving in a different direction. You're taking care of yourself, you're investing your time and energy in your work, and moving forward. That's something I'm getting here. And for others, it can be like a small disappointment you had. Maybe your career is your love, or maybe you had some small disappointments, but you will be able to, I'm getting this disappointment that you have this, or this is going, you will be able to overcome next 7 to 10 days, and you will get clarity why this happened, and you will be able to move, you will be able to let go of this disappointment. It can be as simple as someone said something and you're disappointed, right? Your friend said something and you're disappointed, so you're just forgiving them and moving forward. That's something I'm getting here. Okay, so let's see what is the blessing for you guys. Oh, message. Wow, positive news is definitely coming your way. Maybe for some of you, if someone has broken your heart or something like that friend, maybe you will be like, that friend of yours might say sorry, and you will be like, oh, thank God that happened. It can be a small thing. Someone said something and we are hurt, and they're not, and finally they realize that that did hurt you, and so they are contacting you, they are sending you a message like sorry or something, and so you're feeling very good about it. So that can be you'll be feeling, yeah, oh, thank God, I was just overthinking, I was just so sad, finally this person messaged, so I'm happy. Or maybe you had a fight with your spouse or you're with your partner, and finally this person, you were not sending, you were not talking, so finally they will send this message, and you will be like, oh, you'll be like full stress free, and it's going to be okay. So that's for others, it's like if you are not so, it's not about your, maybe for some of you, I even feel like that you're not so into this love life thing, you're not focusing too much on your love life. It can be family thing, right? If your friends or maybe it's your career also, you're so focused on your career, maybe there was some disappointment, and finally, like it's like you were applying for a university, you didn't get the thing, maybe you will receive some news about it, and you will be very hopeful again. So yeah, some good news definitely. I see a call or a news or email that will make you happy, because this is a blessing. And we have 7 number. 7 number is also, for me, is about learning, maybe something related to your learning. Okay, you will receive some message, or maybe your results, you will receive some results, and you will be very happy with that. Okay, yeah, your hard work is paying off. So let's see the last messages for you guys, final messages. I'm hearing the word focus. Be focused. You're very focused. I know that you're very hardworking. You're working on your creative projects. You're giving your 100%, but there is a chance you might lose little focus because of your stress. So just don't let that happen. For some of you, I feel like this love life. You're working hard because you're suppressing those emotions. Don't do that also. So let go of that emotions. So for some of you, it's like you're working and you're suppressing these emotions. Don't do that. Let go of that hurt. Release it. Cry it out. Okay. For some of you, that's also I'm getting. Don't suppress those emotions. Take care of your mental health. That's also I'm getting. So let's see. What's the message for next 7 to 10 days? Final messages for group number 3. Learn. Yeah, there is a lot of learning. Definitely you're going to learn something new. For some of you, practice is going to, you're practicing something, and it's going to be very perfect. Maybe you have a hobby that you're practicing, it will be very good. Maybe for some of you artists, you're working on your art, and you're going to learn a lot of things. Yeah, whatever you're doing, it's progressing. So learn. A little nudge, it's now your turn. Put on your thinking cap, it's time to learn. So for some of you, it's like you're learning something about someone. I'm getting, you're learning that this person was not good. Maybe that's why you have this 3 of arrows. Maybe it's just a small disappointment. It's just a small disappointment for some of you, but you will be able to overcome it. Let go of that disappointment, and focus on your learning. That's the main thing I'm getting. Learning new things, working on your hobbies. And for some of you, I'm getting an opportunity is also coming your way regarding your studies or your career. It will make you happy. but keep on learning, okay? Yeah, the green fairy, a cheeky green fairy on your behalf is appearing here to make you laugh. Oh my god. So yeah, it's like you need to laugh more, you need to be more playful, because you will be working so much. I feel like you're very serious, you're taking life so seriously. Maybe it's just a message for the next 7 to 10 days to watch, like just take a little bit of your time and enjoy a movie. Yeah, just laugh. That's something you need to do. Okay, that's it for group number 3. Bye bye, take care.